Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Alright, lifers, as y'all can see behind me, we've got the garden done, or we've got it disc up. I did that yesterday, got the tractor running Saturday night late. I didn't do a video on it. I'm finna hook the tiller up and try to get some of it tilled. I'm gonna try to get taters in the ground today or tomorrow. If I don't get them in today or tomorrow, it'll probably be Friday, because we're finna have a hell of a rainstorm. Probably gonna wait till then anyway. But y'all can see, I gotta get that out right there in the middle. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But it's gonna be just a little short video. I'm gonna get the tractor started. I'm still having to jump it off, unhook the disc, and try to hook the old raggedy tiller up myself. Alright, I'll bring y'all back when I get the tiller hooked up. Alright, took a minute to get the tiller on. We finna get out there and till. I'll do this. I try to set it up close where y'all can see it. So I'm not gonna climb off and on the tractor all day today. So it'll probably be filmed from right here. I'm only gonna till half of it today. I had to work on the tiller. I didn't put that on there. Hope it'll work. We finna go run it and see. I'll put y'all back on time lapse, and then I'll close the video out. I hope y'all enjoyed that. A little short. I'm just getting it ready to do. I'll probably get taters in the ground, like I say. If not today, probably be Friday. And I'll have to go back over it and do it again. But I just really want to test a tiller, because it's been a long time since we used it. Long time, over 2 years. And that tiller right there is we found it in the woods. It was froze up, it didn't work. We took it apart and made it work tiller. I don't even know what brand it is. It's just Cornbread's. Had to add a shield for the back. You can see it don't sit square on my tractor. I need to adjust everything, but it's a little bit big for my tractor. but I'm a little bit big for my tractor. I hope y'all enjoyed this. We're gonna be some more gardening, farming, whatever you want to call it. I wouldn't call it farming, I'm gonna call it gardening. We're gonna do watermelons over here. I'm putting cloth down. When I get the cloth, I'll till it up real good. Try to put some irrigation line in and cover it up. And it's probably gonna be cloth all the way to where we just got through tilling. That's gonna be for my maters, my peppers, my squash, all that I'm gonna grow on fabric cloth. If you are in East Texas, watermelons will be $8 a piece. And that'd be the best ones you've ever ate. Bet. Alright. Hope y'all have enjoyed this little cringy video. Trying to get some more made. Still got things going on that's slowing down production. But this right here is to feed us and pay some bills, so gotta do that. Anybody wants to donate $200 for a front tire, we sure gonna need one pretty quick. That's been on there since I bought it though, so about 15 years ago. I think all the rest of them are still in good shape, but I'm gonna have to replace that one pretty quick. All right, like, share, subscribe if y'all are still here. I appreciate each and every one of you, and we gone.